Hi guys, welcome to this special Tram fan video. A few weeks ago we had some huge thunderstorm on a Sunday, really huge, something we are not used to here in Belgium, Antwerp. And as you can see, it's pouring heavily from above all the water. And yeah, it was terrible, really, and it created some real chaos later on. In the evening in Antwerp, of course. But first, enjoy the first clips about this thunderstorm. You see the wind is enormous, it's playing with the rain, with everything. What you cannot see very clear is the trees. They are moving really far, they bend really far. Here are we at the new hospital, it's almost finished and you see the wind is blowing very hard. But we are now at the part where my tram is turning into a boat. Oh yeah, you see it, it's unbelievable. Now, I get a lot of bad comments about this because I posted this on my Facebook page, and a lot of people who think they know something about trams, gave me a lot of, how do you call it, a lot of, shit, because I drive to this. But I know this line, I know what happens, I know what these trams can do, and all the fragile parts are on the roof of the tram, so yeah, it was not a problem to drive through that amount of water. Of course, it was in a slow pace. So that's it, guys. That was a thunderstorm.